My eSTEAM Kits is a learning system that's disrupting the $40 billion ed tech market with a product that's improving the way students learn about careers in science, technology, engineering, arts, and math. Through hands-on projects, students cultivate confidence, leadership, and STEM skills. Hi, I'm Jahari Sword, founder of My eSTEAM Kits. And I've been working in the STEM industry for over 15 years, not only as a chemist, but also as an HR talent leader. The problem is, over 2.4 million STEM jobs went unfilled last year. This is largely due to an under-resourced STEM education system and a declining interest among students in STEM subjects. The time is now for My eSTEAM Kits to provide a solution. We bring 21st century skills development to students in grades 4 through 9, and we empower organizations with teacher training, online curriculum, and data analytical tools that support STEM outcomes.
My eSTEAM Kits option stood out because it was a way to take curriculum, connect it to experiential learning, give the students an opportunity to actually explore careers, and then an opportunity to review that data to understand whether or not there was an impact based on curriculum, experiences, and opportunity. I think for me, the thing that has exceeded my expectations has been the level of innovation, bringing to the table projects that we would not have considered without the assistance of My eSTEAM Kits. Being able to afford our students the opportunity to explore careers that are not traditionally considered STEM.
The way that you took the effort to go in and provide quality materials for us to utilize has been beneficial and very time efficient for us to present the shots videos or the angles presentations to our young ladies and then send them out to actually put to use what they have just learned.
Even the additional materials, storyboarding materials, shot lists, offering options for scripts, all of that's been very useful. It cuts down on our preparation time, lets us focus on the girls and what they need.
My name is Jordan and I am 11 years old. I would like to be an astronomer. I like My eSTEAM Kits because it uses critical thinking and it is really, really fun to do with your friends.
I am raising money to build our online digital platform to help students see what they can be with career exploration videos and modules. Together, we can build a community that provides equity and access to all in STEM.